Okay, I'm sorry. My desk's a little messy. This is my first time playing Slime Rancher 2. I do have some experience with Slime Rancher 1. Wait, is this thing on? Yes, it's on. Okay, so I'm gonna begin. Save icon. I want angry fishy. Tutorial, yeah, tar. I don't know if I want tar, but I'm gonna have tar. Feral aggression, player damage, 1, just normal. Rethink. Brightness. I'm having L1. I'm just having it all default. Oh look, it's tar tracing a pink slime. Okay. I didn't beat Slime Rancher 1, but oh, so this is after events of Slime Rancher 1. So, send a mysterious letter. Ooh, cool. It's too loud. I'll let you read it. That slime boy? Like Game Boy, but slime. The slime boy. It's a slime boy. Oh. Yeah, I'm not dumb. I've already played Slime Rancher 1. I'm gonna steal you. I'm gonna steal these slimes. Give me. It's not a kidnapper, I'm a slime napper. Okay, now I shoot slimes in here. I'm gonna make a coop. Or should I make a coop? Keeping chickens in your place prevents the uprising. What uprising? Oh, I want to get this. Incinerator, they can burn anything in the original game. Pond, silo, just storage. Garden. Should I get the garden or a coop? I don't know. I choose garden. Well, now I need to find a fruit or veggie. Oh my god, these graphics are so much better. Give me. This thing, I'm gonna kill it. Throwing it into the slime. Ooh, carrots, yeah, carrots. Anything jiggly tree? Do I get a pogo fruit? I wanna look at the Slimepedia. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna plant. So tasty food acquired. I'm gonna plant a carrot. So yeah, so they poop out these things. And then they go to the port market. This is different. Take my poop. I don't know why these poops are so valuable. I'm gonna go searching for more food. Ooh, more carrots. That looks new. Ooh, bunny! Why is Judy Hopps here? A hop, skip, and then it's gone. I think I have to read all of it. I don't know if I should make a Largo just yet. I'm gonna make another corral. Whoa, what the heck is that? Okay, that looks dangerous. Oh, I don't think that sings my ranch. Whoa! Is that? Give me poker fruit. One poker fruit. Right. More tasty food. Cotton pink Largo. Here, eat. Diet veggie. Oh god. High walls. I'm aiming for high walls.
First, so I can mix.
Add a little bit of water, then throw it, then
Watch TV over there?
Over where me and Dad were watching TV?
Right? Yeah. Oh my god, I can just walk on the left phone.
Why don't you watch TV over here?
Yeah, I'm getting high walls. That's the best.
Where's the remote control for over here?
I'm aiming for 260. Is there some cotton ports? Oh yes, I cotton port. Why is it saying port?
Like a teaspoon, babe?
It looks like vanilla. It looks like vanilla. Ooh,
Wait, a teaspoon or half?
baby duck. I know, that's a chicken. Why am I so dumb? Or should I get a coop? I don't know what I should get. A coop is cheaper. Make sure these slimes don't get away. If I do, once I get an incinerator, I'm gonna store them in the incinerator. Oh, it's my boat. Oh. Take it. Go away. What does this button do? No. Oh my god. Yeah. Ooh, rooster.
Yeah, just make sure it's not fun. I'm gonna make like a salmon salad with avocado and tomatoes and tomatoes. You see the trash?
Okay, no Wi-Fi. Why would there be a Wi-Fi here? It looks like the far range. Oh yeah, that's where we're in Central.
Yeah.
Airports. Look. Whoa, what is that? What is this? Ooh, map data. Oh my god, the conservatory can get so big. Okay, now how do I get back to the conservatory? Oh wait, I know these. Fine, I'll drop my logo for it. Just need to make sure it doesn't eat any of the porks. Oh no, turn in char. It literally grabbed him. Why won't you die? Ooh. Oh god, where is it now? This is a conservatory.
Yeah, it's the same.
No, don't eat it. What did I do? I deserve this. Look.
But I guess the sauce from the salmon. It's just half of this is good. Later. Maybe Max wants to be on one.
I want this, just in case the tar appears, they will just shoot. Oh no, I got out. Stop. Seriously. Stop. You all need to stop. Alright, for that. get a coop? No, I cannot. Ooh, my carrots are done.
Almost done it. Yes, we're watching game. Give me small like the old for toast.
Look, it's fruit.
You know that kid's gonna eat healthy stuff eventually. I want sweets. I want to eat the sweets. Can we get Manuel the chicken
Bro, this is like a slime jockey.
Okay. This is napkin. This is the Manuel. Let's see about these avocados. Yes, perfect. They're perfect. Let's go to town on these avocados.
It's dead. Good, just running face into. Ooh, I like Gordo. I get on top of it and put a pin on it. Actually, ooh, yeah, carrots.
Want my water, Mom?
I like Gordo because they explode.
Where's my water?
The developers of carrots
Oh, it's in the fashion.
make you
On the windowsill.
explode. The things.
Dad, Matthew?
Ooh, fruit. What's that? Ooh, map data. How do I get there? Ow. Work my eggs. A tiny slime! And I guess I'll drop these chicken dudes. Ugh. Dang. Oh, what you for? This one right here. Oh yeah. I think it's an achievement for you. No, slime director.
Matthew. Matthew.
Where are the achievements? What the hell am I doing? I'm recording a video. What do you think? Eat this. That's a tabby slime. Too cute. Ah! Did you spit out? Oh god, I can't watch. Yes, I want the music to stay like this. Wait, oh, it's still day 2. I want no more Largos here. Stay away. Bro, fat. These graphics are way better than Slime Rancher 1. Chickens roam free. I don't see you. Ooh, it's the workshop. Let's get the water tank, jetpack, and resource harvester. Okay, but I'm gonna buy a coupe. Oh, get back here. Someone burping. Ah, yes. Feast upon this poor little fox. No, God! No. Here. Playtime. Okay, please get back in Coral. Just torture the guy. Do whatever you want. Please don't eat my chicks. I'm gonna go get something. Now stay in the coop or it'll be incinerated. Kill this poor fox. I don't care what you do to him. Don't eat my chickens. That's all I care about. It's like a gun. I was gonna say, did you eat that fox? I'm gonna go to sleep. Do I have enough to upgrade my... No, the carrot. Anything but the carrots. gonna get high walls. Wait, first I need to collect all your quartz. You think they're good for money, but I absolutely hate. Have to jump on each other and jump out. I'm gonna get high walls. There. Now I could rest without having nightmares my chicken's being mauled. Why? So cruel. Alright, I'm gonna go sleep. Oh, coffee. And my chicken population has extended. Yay. How are my veggies doing? I just put veggie. One last veggie. Why didn't I try to shoot it in? Is that too low? Or it's too, or I overshot it? It's raining. The yellow return home portal. decorations. But there's more? Isn't there like a research thing? Are you supposed to find this? Oh, and I have to buy it. Prontomart. In the galaxy. Ugh. Well, I guess it's a new researching thing. What's that sound? Wait, I'm going for 4,000. He's like, can I be the incinerator? I don't like the incinerator. Well, I feel like I played enough, so yeah, I'm gonna make a part 2 soon. Bye. But it's not working. And then I press. Okay, bye.